up, TNT?
Taj Money.
These niggas say trapping, but I ain't never seen a drop.
It's Malik on the track.
I got some niggas who gon' shoot shit like the D-League. Don't pass me shit up in that blunt if it ain't fine weed. Go grab a mop, I'm finna clean up like I'm Mr. Clean. 2-3 across my chest, I'm ballin' like Draymond Green. Nigga hold they nuts on me, quit holding them and pick them up. Nigga already got them bricks for kick though, it's a stick up. P90 on me with the shoulder strap, it come from Russia. Don't beef to say my name cause I got niggas that'll set ya. Don't cross the line or go against the grain, them bullets burn. My mama told me stay up in your lane and wait your turn. Why they got niggas claiming stripes that they ain't never earned? It's gon' get ugly out here, boy, and you gon' have to learn. Like dimples in they face, I seen the hated niggas' eyes. Crab in the bucket ass niggas don't wanna see me rise. I graduated from that corner out there selling rocks. Shit ain't no game when them indictments in your mailbox. Lay in your bushes like I'm Jason out for Halloween. Go get the cups, I'm finna lean out there for methazine. Nigga ain't finna run out with my shit, think he gon' make it far. Catch you in traffic, where you at, shoot up your whole car. Don't let that blue app get you hyped, they wanna bust a move. Nigga must not know somebody, tell him how my niggas groove. Don't let that blue app get you hyped, they wanna bust a move. Nigga must not know somebody, tell him how my niggas groove.